Yeah, what does that strut thing do right there?
What's that? The engine dampener?
Yeah.
It basically keeps the engine from rocking side to side and stuff like that. Just stiffens it up a little bit.
Instead of having solid mounts,
Yeah.
So then you don't feel, because with the solid mount, motor mounts, you feel a lot more of the vibrations.
Oh,
so
okay.
you can keep the rubber mounts, but have kind of the solid mount feel, I guess you would say.
Gotcha.
A little bit better transfer of power and stuff like that. So.
Yeah, totally. Okay, I've seen that before. I never knew what it was for. So yeah.
Yeah. How much it does, I have no clue. But you know, I like the way it looks, and I have seen that it does do a little bit and stuff. So.
And this is an RB20 then?
No, it's a SR20.
SR20. Okay.
So basically, this is the way that this car would have came in Japan.
Oh, so it's not even turbocharged, huh?
Oh no, it is.
Oh, it is?
It's a factory turbo. Yep.
I just don't even see that it's buried way down there. Huh?
It's right
okay, yeah, I
underneath
see the blow-off valve.
Yeah. Most of them don't have the actual exhaust sheet healed on there.
Yeah.
But I'll just make sure that I put it out. So.
How much power are you making?
Right now on the factory 7 pounds, I am at 215 horsepower and 210 foot-pounds of torque.
Yeah.
And that's at the 7 pounds. It's set up to do 14, which should put me in the 270, 280 range at the wheels, stuff.
So you changed the headlights yourself then, or you got it like that?
Those are the Japanese headlights, Japanese front end, Japanese grill, Japanese.
Wait, is this a right-hand drive car?
It is not.
Oh,
That's
okay.
the only thing that wouldn't say that it's a Japanese car.
Yeah. Okay. Anything in the interior going on that's different?
Yeah.
Let's see.
A lot of the different options, like just simple with the floor mats, the actual door, the door sills. You got the green underneath. That is factory also footwell lighting. You got the factory actual emergency kit with the fuse. Optional in the van shift knob from Japan.
Looks like one off a Porsche. Okay.
Yeah. The Japanese gauges, the Japanese digital climate control, Japanese the actual gunmetal, the power folding mirrors, and then factory heads up.
Boost gauge, exhaust temperature,
And then air fuel.
yeah.
Or I'm sorry, water temp.
Water. Okay.
Yep.
And what is this? Is this little like custom tuners you can tune on the fly? Or?
That is the actual boost controller, and yeah, I can because I have a Greddy E-Manage in here.
Yeah.
So I can actually adjust it with the little remote control, I guess you would say, the Greddy boost controller or timer, turbo timer.
Cool stuff.
So,
What kind of wheels and tires you got on there?
got 18s up front, 19s in back, and they are
Pretty fat tires on there too.
yeah. They're just ASA JH8s, I think they're.
Okay.
if you will find
It's
me
a 19.5 in back.
or the 180SX, that would be
Twin turbo brake upgrade and stuff like that. So. 32 aluminum uprights. 18s, it's 18 by 8.5 or 9 up front.
Yeah. Would the Japanese one have had bigger brakes?
No, these are the same ones that would be on the Japanese cars. It's just on a Japanese Silvia. It is a iron brake versus a aluminum brake that the 300ZX twin turbo had.
Oh.
So it's a little bit lighter, and stuff like that. So and also you get a little bit bigger, as the Japanese ones are a 26 millimeter. This is a 30 millimeter. So and that's pretty much the difference. So.
Japan had a lot of cool stuff going on back in the day that you don't know about, Yeah, I never knew about this car really. I knew about the Skylines because those are made famous by the Fast and Furious movies.
Yeah.
So officially, what would this be called? An S15 or Silvia?
This is a S14 Silvia.
S14. Okay.
Officially, yeah. So
take it to any car shows around here? I've never seen it. Any like real ones where they give out trophies and stuff? 'Cause this is an awesome restoration.
I got a couple.
Replica.
I got a couple trophies sitting at home. I did the TIC one in September. I've done I forget what it is. I think it's Import Face Off in Joliet.
Okay, the race, yeah.
That was in August, stuff like that. So
yeah.
This is the second summer since I've owned it that I've actually been able to drive it and stuff like that.
Gotcha. Okay. Cool. Well, thanks for showing me it.
Yeah, no problem, man. No problem.
Strut Tower brace, was that factory?
No. This is from. This is a Kansai garage, which is I believe, if my memory serves me right, it's HKS's garage that they send their cars to get repairs and stuff like that.
Okay. So and that air filter, that's kind of interesting too.
Yep.
Never seen one like that.
Abbey Road Company, that is exceedingly rare. So exceedingly rare.
How often do you have to clean that thing?
That one, they say every 20,000 miles.
Yeah.
But it's just a filter on it.
Yeah. Hit it with some water and soap and stuff. Yeah. Dry it out.
Yep.
Okay.
Exactly.
And you just got covers covering your what do you call it, fuse panel.
Covering the fuse panel. Yep.
I actually got that overflow tank, nice little filler.
Yeah. I actually had to move this from that corner over to here because
to fit the intake.
The intake.
Yeah. So where exactly are the pipes going? I'm kind of confused here. All right, so intake is here. All right, goes to the compressor. Well, so intake's there.
So you got the intake, you got the hot pipe here,
okay,
and then you got the cold pipe over here. This is a BPM high mount.
Yeah.
So the actual intercooler is sitting right about here, but you can't see it.
You can't really see it.
You can't see it at all.
Yeah, I could barely see it if I look through here.
But. And that's kind of what I kind of wanted to make it a little bit more stealthy, I guess. So.
Yeah, that's cool. Can you start it up for me?
Yeah.
All right, cool. It's cool that you have a passion for, old school Japanese rides like this. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Idle at?
About 1,000.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. What does kooky mean?
That is what.
Am I pronouncing that right?
Kooky. That is the Japanese, basically, when it came out. So for the S14, there's actually two versions. There's the Zenki, which is pre, kooky is post.
Okay.
So the kooky would be in the States, it would be the 97, 98 S14s. The Zenki is a 95, 96.
Yeah, okay.
So
an S14 has a 4-cylinder, S15, does that have a 6 then?
No.
Oh.
All of the S chassis have a 4-cylinder in it.
Oh, they do? Okay.
In Japan, it was the SR20. Here in the States, it was the KA24.
Okay.
Which is a truck motor.
Yeah.
And so that's why the SR20 is one of the most popular swaps for the S chassis because it drops right in. And it drops right in. You put in a new wiring harness and you're done pretty much.
Okay.
So you don't have to do
tachometer and speedometer and everything works
all
too.
That works.
Yeah.
All
okay.
That works. Yep.
Yeah. So there was never a RB25 or an RB26 then in a rear wheel drive 2-door.
Not in the S chassis.
No.
That was in the actual Skylines.
Only in the Skylines.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. The RB20, 25, the RB20, 25, and 26 were the ones that came in the actual Skylines.
Okay.
Stuff like that. So, and depending on what trim level you have, you might have RB20, you might have this, you might have that.
Yeah. I need some education on that. So this is just Well, what's going on with his rear lights? They look different, right?
Yes. Now this is the this is the S13, so this is the body style before the S14 chassis, or the S14. Both are still the same chassis, but both of these have the Japanese tail lights, which is the 180SX. Take those.
Oh, okay.
It's decent.
Yeah. This guy's definitely set up for drifting.
Yes.
Huh?
Yeah.
And there we have a GTS.
Yes. Yeah, now that one will have the RB25 in it. It should.
It's the rear-wheel drive one.
It should have an RB25. That's the Japanese car.
Yeah. Any other toys you have, or just this one?
I got this, and then just my daily driver. That's it. So.
Yeah. Okay.
Sits in the garage.
Yeah. Cool. You had any problems with anything on it?
Not really. Surprisingly, not really. But also, I've only put 350 miles on it now,
Oh, really?
and I've had it for about 10 years.
Yeah. So you just go to car shows and stuff like that?
Well, for the first 7.5, 8 years, I was just rebuilding it.
Oh,
'Cause
okay.
I've done everything but the paint on this car.
Yeah.
So
Well, it looks awesome, even
Thank
with
you.
the stock paint. But
yeah.
I'm glad that you enter car shows and win trophies and stuff like that, because you got some supreme dedication to this
Yeah.
ride.
Yeah. I mean, it's a hobby.
Your hobby, it's your Lego kit. Yeah.
Essentially so. But no, I've always liked Nissans. The first car I remember is a Datsun 510 station wagon my mom had.
Really?
My mom and dad had. It was red, red with the black interior. That's like the first imprint, so I think that's where I get my love for Nissans
Okay.
and stuff like that. So
Yeah.
So yeah, I've always just liked them. So
Have you ever been to SEMA?
I've never been to SEMA. I want to go to SEMA very badly. I've never been able to go though, so I want to go.
I've seen a few awesome 240s there. The one with the V10 in it, made by the B is for Build guy.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's got a BMW V10.
Nice.
And then there's another one made by Gas Monkey Garage. It's a 240 or 260 SX.
Yeah.
2+2.
Yeah. Yep.
And that thing was super clean
that
looking,
one
wide body
is-
on it, or fender flares anyhow.
Yeah, I think that one was a 280Z.
280. Okay.
280Z.
I get them mixed up. Yeah.
So which this chassis to that's a completely different chassis.
Oh yeah.
Because like the 240Z, the 280Z became the 300ZX, which is now the 350s and 370Zs.
Right.
So that's where that chassis came from, and then this chassis was kind of the step down chassis from the Z cars.
Okay.
So this is for kind of the everyman or the less influenced man, I guess you would say. So
Yeah.
compared to a Z car or compared to a Skyline or something like that. So
Okay, well, I can't think of any more questions to ask you, so
right, man.
thank you very much.
Yeah.
My YouTube channel is called Internal Combustion, so I'm going to
cool. Okay.
post a video on there. I got awesome sound on here,
Nice.
with this external mic, so the sound will sound awesome too.